Nashville, Tennessee.
As the city grows, we want to make sure that we're adding color, that we are pulling out all the things that are unique about the city, and that we're making it a place that's inspiring to live. AkzoNobel's partnership here with the Mayor's Youth Council is really going a long way to help us build that vibe and that flavor into the city as we move forward.
The Mayor's Youth Council meets every other Monday. It's a group of high schoolers from all across Metro, and we all come together to share our ideas, our opinions about the projects that we are hoping to start up with the help from AkzoNobel.
Here at Celebrate Nashville, we are painting this mural, and the name of the mural is Unity. And you just have all these elements of culture and diversity coming into play and different colors to represent the great diversity here in Nashville.
I feel so lucky just to be the conduit. Over 100 drawings were submitted, and then I took those drawings and twisted them into one big mural. So you're seeing the voice of well over 100 youth here in Nashville, Tennessee, represented in one piece.
I really like how AkzoNobel is really making sure that youth have an opportunity to do something in their community, like this mural and other projects. It really gives us a voice to be heard.
Here at Wright Middle School will be the site of a massive tree planting and park improvement project.
We have a vision of creating a new bike path that will run right along here, and we're collaborating with the City of Nashville to make it a reality.
The youth leadership that is involved with the program, that goes hand in hand with what we are trying to do. We are not only here to invest, but to be a part of it. As I see it, we're going to work together to win together.
We hope that our projects can have a greater impact on Nashville and make it more beautiful for years to come.
We love Nashville!